Oranges, brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. My name is Miss Savannah. I am a program leader at Kalakaua All-Stars. In this episode, we will be learning how to make a DIY stress ball, the effects of stress, and how and why it is important to manage your stress. What is stress? Stress is what you feel when you are worried or uncomfortable about something. This worry in your mind can make your body feel bad. You may feel angry, frustrated, scared, or afraid, which can give you a stomachache or a headache or other symptoms. When you're stressed, you may not feel like sleeping or eating, or you might sleep or eat too much. You also may feel cranky or have trouble paying attention at school and remembering things at home. It happens to the best of us. By making these stress balls with me, we can together learn a new way to cope with our feelings while getting a little dirty and having some fun. So now we're going to talk about the materials and supplies that you need to make a DIY stress ball. So you can use flour or rice. I have some rice right here. It doesn't matter what kind of rice you use. This is Nashiki premium grade rice. You can use this one. Flour, any kind of flour. I use this flour to make banana bread, so that's why I have it. But just look at what you have in your cupboards at home and use that. You can also use like little balls to put in the stress ball, or you can use oatmeal. You could probably do like literally anything that has texture into the stress ball. I want you guys to try different things and let me know how it works. You need just a plastic water bottle that you have around the house that's empty. It can be bigger or smaller. And then I have some funnels. I have a big one and a small one. You can use one from the store, or you could probably make one at home with like a piece of paper and just put the funnel in there like that. And then a measuring cup. I have a measuring cup with my rice and flour already inside. And I have a blue balloon. You can use any color. And I have some orange yarn, because After School All-Stars. But you don't really need yarn. You could use anything you have around the house, or you don't have to use this. This is just to put a little extra pizzazz on it. And I have some scissors. You should have some at home. And I have a Sharpie. I don't suggest using this color because it doesn't show up good on the blue, but if you have a black one at home or a brighter color, use that. This is just the only one I could find. And yeah, that's all I have. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our empty water bottle, we're gonna put our funnel into the opening, and we're gonna put whatever we're using. I have half rice and a little bit of flour. I just want a little bit more of the century than the flour, so you guys can choose, and it's literally whatever you have around the house will work. So we're gonna pour, I have like 3/4 of a cup. You see, 3/4, but honestly we're gonna figure it out and see how much we need. Voila! Make sure you get all in there. Okay. So now we're going to blow up our balloon a little bit with some air and then put it on the opening of the bottle. And be careful because it might be a little messy, so do this outside or somewhere that you can make a mess. And now we're just filling up the balloon with what was in the bottle. And it may take some shaking to get it in there. Again, be careful with if you do all flour because it can be messy. All right. So I think for the most part, mine is all in. You see, that's the mess. So you want to make sure that you're somewhere you can make that mess. Now we're gonna be careful because the flour will come out when the air is coming out. We're gonna let the air out, all of the air. Okay. Now we have all of the air out and we're gonna tie it. And this is my stress ball. I could have put a little bit more rice or flour in it, but it still does the same thing and gets the job done. So it's up to you guys. And now I'm gonna tie some yarn on it. I already cut some and tied it up, so I'm just gonna use that. And this is what I have. And it's just sort of like the hair. You don't have to do this. This is just me being extra. Let's see. I'm just gonna take a piece and I'm gonna tie it. So now it has some dreadlocks, orange ones. And I'm gonna take my Sharpie and I'm gonna make a face on it. Don't judge me because I'm not the greatest at drawing on balloons, but you guys are probably better at this. So honestly, I'm just gonna make a smiley face. You guys can be as creative as you want. Mine is just gonna be a smiley face. I encourage you to draw something that makes you happy or will help to reduce your stress. This is just a smiley face, so now every time that I look at this, it will remind me to be happy and to not be stressed out, and I can squeeze it when I'm feeling angry or sad or whatever's going on. And it's a reminder to let go of my stress and be happy. In conclusion, today we talked about stress, what it is, what may cause this, and how to manage it. We also made a stress ball to help calm us down when we feel stressed. I hope everyone will use this as a tool to help them when times are rough, because I sure do. Thanks for watching and being a part of our After School All-Stars Hawaii Ohana. If you're joining us on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Please also follow at All-Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to connect with us. We hope you share this video or leave us a comment about what you liked and what you want to see next. Bye, and don't be stressed.